So friend, let's start with the Google Sheet which generate blogs. Okay, before starting the demo, let me tell you about the settings. I've already set the API key and choose the model and rest of the settings, and I choose the role of writer, the tone and the style, and also set that time gap between each API call. And my blog will published on the site, which is also mentioned in WordPress sheet. I provide the credential of your WordPress like a username and the application password. Let's start with the keyword. Let's take an example of memory card. Write some blog on memory card, and I click on Autoblog menu and generate. It will show me the details, the keyword, the model, tokens and the rest of the settings. Yes. I start generating title. I put 1 minute gap in each API call. You can set less than 1 minute, less than 60 seconds, but sooner you will face the issues error code 429, which means too many requests to OpenAI server. So if problem is there, then reset the time gap between each API call from 60 seconds to 120 seconds. Okay, blog title is here. Now next is outlines. The execution time limit of Google Sheet is 6 minutes. If the script is not completed, it will show you the execution time limit error and stop the script. Again, you have to go to the Autoblog alpha menu and click generate. It will start from the last point. I have told you it may give the error of maximum execution time. You just go to Autoblog alpha and click again generate. It will start from this position only. Okay, finally the blog is complete and it asks to publish on my website. Let me add one more heading in this. Let's call conclusion. Okay, and generate. Okay, conclusion is done. Let's publish it on website. Yes. Yeah, publishing is also done. Let's see the demo. Blog. Okay. So here is the complete blog. And before publishing, if you want to rewrite something, like if you want to rewrite this introduction, just click on menu and rewrite. It will ask for the prompt. Okay, let's say rewrite the content in style, and okay. Now this request rewrite the introduction in conversational style. Okay, done. So, hey there, do you want to make the most of the memory cards? So my blog is done, but do all the editing before publishing the content. Once the blog is complete, go to Autoblog and publish your blog. This will publish the blog into the WordPress site, which is mentioned here. Okay, and if you want to set the prompts, I have list all the prompts which I am using to generate the blog, and there is log sheet also. For each request it will create a log. What request you have made and what response will be there, and where the site is published, number of token used, and in the beginning you can check the total tokens. And if you face any type of error, it will come here. No need to worry, just go to blog and click generate button. It will start from the same point where it failed previously. And remember, don't bombard, don't set this API call request time gap between each request to 0, make it 60, 35, whatever it works. But n number of calls are going to OpenAI server, and they may be block you if you do too many requests on their server. So it's a better idea to give some time gap between each API call. Thank you.